Hi everyone, today's September 15th, 2021. This is Dr. Fryer, and I'd like to show you quickly how you can update your Chromebook software, which is important for security. Also, sometimes, like right now, we're having some difficulties with a program with Minecraft Education, and this is supposed to fix the problem. So usually, updating is a great idea. Here's what you do. Open up Chrome, as I have open here, and in the upper right corner, you're going to click on the three dots. Then you're going to go down to where it says Settings. Now you're going to want to find the About Chrome button that's at the bottom. And here it will tell you what version of Chrome you're running. So I'm running version 92 point something, something, something. And it says to see if your device is up to date, go to Settings. Okay. When you click this, it will check to see if an update is available. And if it is, you're going to click right here and it will download the update. When it's finished, it's going to look like mine does now, where it says restart. And so that's what I've got to do now. I've got to click the restart button, and when my Chromebook comes back on, it's going to have the latest version. Now, your Chromebook is set at our school to automatically update, but it may take a little while after an update comes out. You need to restart your computer, and it should just happen automatically. But if you want to make sure you're running the very latest version, or it's important, like I said, to fix a problem, that's how you do it. So 3 dots to open up your settings, go down to the bottom and choose About Chrome, and then you need to click this link that says ChromeOS Settings, and you'll be able to do your update right there. All right, good luck and stay safe out there.